Hi guys, so today we're going to be discussing about the blood. You're going to know everything about your blood. Now, there are two components that make up the blood. One is the plasma, the second one is the formed elements. Now, in your plasma, there are three components that make up the plasma. One is 92% of water. The second one is 7.4 pH, which is basic. Then the third one is osmotic concentration. And let me tell you this, your body cannot work in an acidic medium. Our body works with basic medium. So now, this formed element has three components that make it up. We have the red blood cells, we have the white blood cells, then we have the platelets. Now, these three components of the formed element, each of them has a very important role is playing in the blood. You get? Now, the red blood cells is called the oxygen carriers. They transport oxygen from our lungs to our body, and they also transport carbon dioxide from the tissues to the back to the lungs. You get? Now we have the white blood cells. Now these white blood cells will produce antigens that fight diseases, or they kill those antigens they produce kill infected cells. You get? So like the white blood cells that fight against disease. Now we have the platelets. Now these platelets, they stop bleeding. We say this blood clotting. They have a way of making blood stop or making bleeding to stop. So now there are ways of maintaining your blood and keeping it healthy. Now there are some certain things we need to do to maintain this blood for you to be able to do its respective functions. Now the first one is staying hydrated. Blood is life, and it's not water that is life, blood is life, and 92% of water make up the plasma, and the plasma is a component of what? Of your blood. So staying hydrated will help. Not that water is life, blood is life, not water. Just that 92% of water is in the plasma, which is the blood component. Do you get? So blood is life. Without blood, there will be no life. Another one is eating food that is rich in iron. Do you get? Like meat, liver, eggs. It will help. So now, another one is avoiding alcohol. Avoiding alcohol is eating food that is rich in vitamin K, like fruits and vegetables. Do you get? So when you're doing, another one is good sleep. Good sleep. It helps to boost your immune. Do you get? Have enough rest. Sleep very well. Then personal hygiene. Personal hygiene your body from grabbing infections. Do you get? So personalize your hygiene. Do you get? Stay hygienic. It helps too. So with all those things, if you put them together, I promise you, you will hardly get sick, and your blood, like, you'll be very healthy. So see you in my next video, and I hope you learned something from this. Thank you.